Megan. I do hope all of you are doing well. Today is going to be a very fun and exciting video. It is my Louis Vuitton shocking unboxing haul. I truly did not see these items coming within the last week and a half, but I cannot wait to show you guys what I did receive. I will be including mod shots for one of the pieces that I did receive, as I do find them to be very, very helpful. But before we get into that, if you do enjoy this video, you do enjoy my channel, I kindly ask that you consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button below. Also, by clicking that notification bell, you will be notified every time I upload a video. To say that I'm excited about what I am about to show you is an understatement, to say the least. I am going to start off with a smaller item, but I do believe you guys will think this is a bigger item once you see what's inside, if that makes sense. I'll give a little bit of a hint. This is definitely a newer release item, and I am very, very thrilled that I was able to obtain it. I'll go ahead and reveal. I'll allow it to peek through, as I like to do with my Louis Vuitton items. Yes, I think you guys know what this is. The Louis Vuitton mini pochette, oh so cute, oh so beautiful, with the monogram canvas Christmas animation edition. Some of you might find this as a little bit of a shock, but I've never purchased a piece from the Christmas animation series. This is my absolute first, and I think it is absolutely adorable. As you guys can see, it says Louis Vuitton right there, and what I love the most is the fact that I love roller coasters. And look how cute and adorable what the roller coaster is made of. Louis Vuitton trunks. I think the attention to detail is absolutely stunning in my opinion. I am loving the pink against the monogram canvas. I love the tab right there, made in France, and as you guys can see, I think you will like the interior as well. It does have that deeper pink interior, which I am a huge fan of. So yay for the fact that I have this now in my Louis Vuitton collection. I can't wait to use it. I definitely feel extremely fortunate. Moving right along, the next piece bag that I'm about to show you is one that I tried on in store, and I really have not been able to stop thinking about it ever since I did try it on. For all of you guys that do follow me and know my collection, you might just be a little bit surprised as to what's inside. Let's go ahead and open this right up to reveal a dust bag that looks like this. I am extremely excited. I don't know if I mentioned that about 50 times, but let me remind you just in case. So let's go ahead and reveal the beautiful, gorgeous, and stunning, oh my gosh, it just peeked through, the Louis Vuitton Vavine BB in the Empreinte leather black. Now for reference, this bag does come in two sizes. There is the BB being the smaller size, and there is also the PM size. I did opt to go with the BB as I did find it to be a bit more dainty, but I think both sizes are absolutely gorgeous. The length across this Vavine BB is 8.1 inches. The height measures in at 5.9 inches, and the width is 3.1 inches. This gorgeous bag can be worn one of two ways. Over the shoulder, like how you see right here. I think you guys can tell that this chain strap is non-adjustable. The chain drop is 11 inches. As I'm looking at this bag in the camera, I'm really falling more in love with it. I love this bag so much. So moving forward, if you guys wanted to change the look of this bag, you could definitely make it a crossbody by just simply moving the chain up. And the maximum chain drop is 21.7 inches. The clasp opening and closure to this bag is a very strong magnetic one. I love the fact that it is very strong so that you don't have to worry about it just popping open, but it's definitely not too strong where you have to really pull at the bag to open it. Again, this is the BB size. I do find it to be very, very roomy. It does have a microfiber interior, and as you guys can see, this bag was made in France. So now is the time where I'll be trying this bag on. For any of you guys that might be interested, I hope to add an inclination as to whether or not this bag is right for you. For reference, I am 5'8" and I weigh about 135 pounds. Over the shoulder, the bag does look like this, and to reiterate, the chain drop on this is 11 inches. I think this is an absolutely gorgeous look, but I adore the crossbody even more. So as a crossbody, it does look like this. The comfort level of this crossbody is outstanding, and the Empreinte leather against the body is absolutely amazing, as it is so very, very smooth. I think this just might be my new favorite crossbody bag, and it might stay that way. I really wish you guys could feel through the screen how soft and luxurious this bag truly is. It makes all the difference when worn on the body. I do hope that you guys enjoyed my Louis Vuitton shocking unboxing haul. If you happen to have any comments or questions on the items I did unbox, the beautiful and gorgeous newly released Louis Vuitton Christmas animation mini pochette. Can I just point out one more time the little trunks on that roller coaster? Too cute. Also the Louis Vuitton beautiful and gorgeous Empreinte leather Vavine BB. I must admit, I am absolutely in love with this bag. Please do leave those in the comment section below, as I do adore hearing from you guys. So now is the time within the video where I'm going to completely transition topics from speaking about luxury to speaking about something that's definitely more insightful, meaningful, and inspirational. Today, I wanted to go over a very important topic, a topic I think we need to speak of, and that happens to be combating depression. I think it would be very easy for me to just give tips and tricks on combating depression, but I feel that it needs to come from a source that's authentic and true. Because of the fact that I've experienced depression, because of the fact that I've got out of it and I've learned to live my life in a positive way, in a positive light, I can definitely speak on this subject and hopefully help somebody that might be going through depression. One way to combat depression is to serve a purpose higher than yourself. That can be something within your community, for humanity, for your family, anything that's outside of yourself where you're helping other people. When you do want to serve something that's greater than yourself, having a giving spirit, you will find that you have an energy inside of you that you did not know you had. Another thing that's extremely important, I've mentioned it many times within my channel, is to start your day off right with God. When you start the day off with Him and make that connection and tell yourself and God that no matter what person, what situation comes your way, you are not going to allow it to steal your peace. You will stay in peace and enjoy your day. Another way that I have found that is wonderful for keeping depression at bay is setting and achieving goals for yourself. Science has proven that when we do set out to achieve a goal, no matter how big or small it is, it makes us happy. Another thing that's absolutely wonderful for the mind is exercise. I have worked in the fitness industry for quite some time now, and I can affirmatively say that when you get your blood pumping, when you do that cardiovascular activity for at least 20 minutes, endorphins are released in the brain. Those are natural feel-good chemicals, and they will last up to 24 hours. The more you do it, the better you'll feel. With God, there is no depression, there is no fear, there is no anxiety. He is completely peaceful, and we can tap into His peace at any time. It's extremely important to stay as close to God's light as you possibly can. When we're feeling depressed, it can be very easy to just stay in that depression and not really want to get close to God. It's almost like the darkness wants to keep you down in a dungeon and not let you get close to the light, not want you to get close to the light. And somehow, some way, that darkness gives us a weird comfort. I think that odd comfort is why it is very hard to connect with God when we're feeling so very depressed. I did include within the description box below, for any of you guys that might be experiencing depression, a link to a prayer that is extremely powerful. So if you are experiencing depression and having a hard time connecting to God's light, I urge you to listen to that video. You are God's child, and as God's child, He wants you to be living the happiest and most peaceful life possible. Since we're human, not everybody is going to be happy all of the time, every single day. We will experience sadness, we will experience negative feelings and emotions, but the key is to not stay in that state of mind. I really could go on and on about combating depression. Perhaps I'll do a YouTube live. But for now, if you guys happen to have any comments or questions on the topic I did go over, and/or any comments or questions on the beautiful new items added to my Louis Vuitton collection, the Louis Vuitton Christmas animation mini pochette, or the Louis Vuitton, oh my gosh, so very beautiful, Vavine BB Empreinte leather, please do leave those in the comment section below. I shall reiterate, I do adore hearing from you guys. I thank you so very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Until my next, which I am very, very excited about, you guys take care, and I'll be seeing you very, very soon. Bye.